Sometimes it gets hard, but
hello guys, it's Nasiria and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is on a wash and go routine that I usually do to my hair every time I wash it, and this routine actually leaves my hair very moisturized and healthy throughout the week, especially when I want to put on that favorite bun of mine. You can see from these pictures. So let's get it started, guys. I'm starting with freshly deep conditioned hair. If you haven't seen my deep conditioning yogurt video, I'm going to put the link below so that you can check it out. I've already applied products into the other three sections of my hair. This is the last part. I did the other parts off camera, so I'm going to show you guys how I actually use it. The first product I'm using is the Me Color Moisture Boost Leave-In Treatment that is infused with castor oil, shea butter, and menthol. The menthol helps soothe the scalp. The castor oil helps in increasing volume and also moisturizing the scalp, plus the shea butter also seals the moisture, and this leave-in conditioner actually detangles the hair very well.
If you in the club, it's your day one, celebrating all that work you put in. I'm here to remind you to keep on getting it just like I do. So go and get it just like I do. How many times have you felt like giving up? I know how it feels, but remember my mom told me it can't rain forever. Gotta pay my dues.
I proceed to the next section where I use a sealant, which is my favorite castor oil. Traditionally the castor oil is clear, but you can see this one is kind of yellow because I've infused it with my rapeseed oil. You can check it out on my blog at cantyhairtalk.wordpress.com. I've stated the benefits of using these oils on your hair, and these oils are actually the reason why my hair has actually grown to this length. They are actually very good at hair growth. The next product I'm using is the Mega Growth Hair Lotion, which is infused with the very things that are in the Mega Growth Deep Conditioner, as I've stated in my previous video. I mix it with my olive oil Eco Styler so that I don't get a crunchy feel on my hair. And this lotion is very moisturizing. I can't even explain how moisturizing this lotion is, and plus I can have the maximum hold plus the moisture at the same time. Mix them in, rubbing through my hands, and then I make sure I spread it to every strand of my hair.
I'd rather go blind.
Sometimes this thing can be very messy, but guys, don't worry, I'll peel it off after we are done. Yes, I make sure I massage in through the scalp, through the up to the last strands, to the edges of my hair, because those are the oldest part and they need more care so that they don't break it off.
I remember that night.
And now I'm done with the whole process. And guys, this is actually what I usually do. I've deep conditioned or I've washed them, and you can see it's quite very moisturizing, and the products are heavily incorporated, so I have to let my hair air dry and make sure they are completely dry so that I can put up on pineapple style, use a certain scarf to slip on them so that the next day I can make the bun that you guys usually see on most of my pictures. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and you can click on the bell thing so that you can get notification. Like and share this video, and thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.
But now you're so